I know y'all sitting around waiting to hear me say court was good today. Well, when it become good, I'll let y'all know because it wasn't good today. It was long, drawn out, boring. I don't know what's going on half the time. And baby, it's too many witnesses getting on the stand that really don't need to get on the stand. Let's get into it though. Is it me or do Hilton and Love only use Atkins when the witnesses is boring and professionals like the man from Infinity? Which I think Hilton and Atkins both examined him, questioned him. But today, baby, they just let Atkins have the flow because it was people like Verizon Wireless, crime scene detectives, this, that, and the third. But let me show y'all the most boring part of the day. We literally sat there while that man flipped through 120 to 130 photos of shell casings of evidence of a crime scene where the lady got pum in the butt. We sat there in total silence, the whole courtroom, and all of us in the audience. I think another interesting part about today's court was the fact that Quindarius, Little Dee's attorney, came and showed up on his behalf and let the judge know like he was not gonna survive in Rice County Jail, and that he needed to been transported, which is supposed to been done on Friday, but they didn't do it till 2 a.m. today, and transporting him to Grady Hospital. Keep in mind that Little D suffers from sickle cell, and he had been apprehended at release from a hospital, Grady Hospital, after getting several transfusions. If you don't know about sickle cell, we'll come back and talk about that. Just let me know in the comment section. Tell me more about this disease and I'll explain it, break it down. But anyway, he has an active port. And once you get multiple transfusions, it's easy for you to get infections. Now, we all heard how Lil Woody and Montonk testified Rice. You know that wasn't no condition to be putting no Little D in a sickle cell patient. It just wasn't. But his lawyer came and said he was going to not make it if he continued to stay in Rice. And they don't know if this man going to make it to testify or not. But according to his family and him, he's going to come in court and plead the fifth. Let me tell you why. First of all, he is not a charged witness. He is not a plea deal witness. He is a lay witness. What a lay witness is a regular person like you, like me, who say, yeah, I might have saw that and I might have saw this, but I don't want no parts of this trial. And basically, that's what he's saying. They have subpoenaed him and they put a person's warrant on him, a body warrant on him to apprehend him because he's now saying, I don't want no parts of this trial. And because he don't have active charges or anything filed against him, they can't force him to testify. So ultimately, they're doing all this torturing of this man to get him to come in and testify to whatever it is he done in the past. I have no clue. But now they want him to say it in front of the jury. And he like, I'm not going to be able to do that. And he's sickly anyway. Like his daddy was on a radio show somewhere saying they've always called him Sick D. So I guess Love is just going to torture the man until the man ultimately come in the courtroom and plead the fifth like the rest of her witnesses have. That's neither here nor there. Let's keep moving. The Verizon Wireless lady, her testimony was all over the place. She say you could send a text message that say, how are you doing? And the text message may go through and that might not be what the other person get on the other end. Go figure. So I might tell you, go climb up in the tree because I'm done talking to you. And it might tell you, come over here because I want to talk to you. Ain't that something? On Steele's cross exam of her, he picked her testimony credibility apart. And she said, yeah, that's exactly what I'm saying. Text messages don't always go through verbatim as you send them. Honey, Love and Hilton was not pleased with that. They hopped up. Hilton recrossed, addressed, and tried to piece that testimony back together. You know how them two is, baby. They not gonna let nothing go because they fighting for their life and they drowning at a rapid rate and don't even see it. Let's keep going. It has been reported on another blog, and I'm gonna insert the clip, that our favorite cousin, our favorite YSL testimony giver, Lil Woody, has an active warrant. They say it's not related to the YSL case, but I'm willing to bet money that something in Woody's past, Hilton and Love sat on in the creaks, cracks, and crevices of their desk until this very moment to go get him. So, Woody, if you know, like I know, all that money you done made off TikTok, Instagram, and Facebook, go get you a lawyer, preferably Mrs. Steele's wife, and go on, turn yourself in and see what it is they got on you, and let's go ahead and get that cleared up. Cause your life is in order now. Ain't no sense of running and hiding from these people. Fight, love them heads on, cause they bullies. And they know that when they get done with this trial, whatever way this trial lay out, internal affairs coming for them. So don't you run from them, Woody. You go ahead and turn yourself in and fight them, whatever that may look like. And then come on out here and be great, because you getting a bag. The legal bag. Turn yourself in. Come on back out here with your cousins and kick it, all right? Don't run from them people. Go ahead and let them have it. Get you a good lawyer, and you and the lawyer go on see what it is they got. And I'm willing to bet you Hilton, Love, and Fanny is directly behind that. Atkins look like he done with. He look tired. He look like he don't want no more of this. And Sharp and Steele them, they all just sitting back waiting on their turn.